Hello, everybody.
Yeah.
So we
Rupak,
are.
I
Yeah.
have one more guy.
Mhm,
His name is Shangmesh. He is also with me. If
mhm.
any questions, he will also ask you.
Oh, sure, sure. Hi, Shangmesh. Yeah.
Hi, Rupak.
So let's start with the registration process. So this is a BBX Visible EzzySense platform. So you can register directly here. And mobile number, password, and doing the registration right now. OTP successfully sent to your email.
Yeah.
So now I will wait for my OTP. So here, submit, and my account is activated. Now I will log into my account. So once I have logged into my account, first thing that I will do is I will go to the sensor template. By default, all the black box alertware products are the templates are by default registered at the time of the user registration. Now I
Rupak,
can
I have a
yeah.
question.
Mhm.
So, what is this sensor template?
A sensor template is that the templates that we define for parsing the sensor data to our platform. So that is the sensor template.
Okay.
Okay. So I can additionally add any sensor template I want over here. Say, let's give it like AW 3000,
Mhm.
status as active, the sensor name as temperature, MQTT topic as temperature, okay, trending chart, and have the color whatever I said, and I can additionally add as many.
What is this color? This color is used for?
Color is actually used for the trending curve color,
Okay.
and now I am going to set it. So this is how any new sensor template can be added. Now what I will do is I'll go to the cluster. So by default, one of the clusters has already been added here
Mhm.
at the time of registration in the default as default room. Similarly, default location is also added, and the default instrument is also added at the time of registration.
Rupak,
Yeah.
Rupak,
Mhm.
how we can create a new location?
Yeah, so I can go to the setup. I go to location here and add new office location. Okay. So I can add the whatever the name of the location over here, the Bangalore.
Hmm.
I give you the address, contact, email status, and the location will be added.
Okay,
Okay.
means this address should be proper
This address should be proper. Yeah, I would say the address
because
should be proper.
depending on the address you are searching in map.
Yeah. Yes. So
Okay,
the
then
address
it
should be,
automatically locate actually
uh,
to Bangalore or somewhere.
yeah.
Okay.
One more thing, is my video on? So this is how you can add a new office location. Now you have to upload the sensors. You go to upload sensor over here. You select the default location, select your cluster, select your instrument. You select the sensor template, whatever sensor template you are having. You select the type of the sensor. These are all coming as default. Now for the sensor template that has been added by you, the sensor type should always be custom. Custom type.
Okay.
Then you download the sample CSV file over here, open it, and here is the list. So like
This is the Excel format, CSV format to
yeah, this
upload
is
bulk
yeah,
devices, to
yeah,
register bulk devices.
yeah, exactly. So I'm just showing you how to do it one thing here. Okay, and I'm hitting save button. So once the save button is there, it uploaded. Now go to configuration, go to sensor. So that sensor that I have added over here showing up here. So
Okay.
this is the way that you will be going to add the sensors in the dashboard. Now you go to the default text of the items, the whatever the sensor is sensing, the humidity and temperature will show up here. Additionally, to make this more elegant, what you can do is you can go on adding the images.
These are the icons of sensors.
Yeah, these are the instrument images. So
Okay.
I'm selecting one. Seven. And similarly, I can have the sensor images as well. So maybe I will just upload one image from here. So I'm uploading one of the icons over here.
Okay.
The icons are uploaded and saving. So now I'm going here. I will be creating a new dashboard. AW3000. Clicking on create. The images are coming. Okay. So I can even go to sensors. I think this is a temperature meter sensor. When I uploaded it, I mistakenly have written a panic button one. So
Hmm.
remove it. So I named it now. So if I want to further like add more images, and so
Okay.
if I go to sensor template, I can go to alert 1000. I can find the temperature humidity. I choose for temperature. For humidity, I can choose some other. If I choose select it, save it. See the image is coming. So like I can change the type of the chart from here, from trending curve to gauge.
Okay.
If I want, I can change it to text also, whatever it is. I can also see the historical data from here. So here is the data, 1 day data. Alternate,
Okay.
I can, if I want to see the data log, a more comprehensive data log between days, I can here, I can select any cluster, track, edit, the search, the data.
Okay.
Here I can also download the data in CSV format or in Excel format, whatever suits my requirement. Now I can directly acknowledge any sort of alerts from here, and if I give a alert also like this one, I'm alert, then they acknowledge it directly from here, or if I'm not available, then now it's discussed. So if I want,
Rupak,
yeah, tell
Rupak,
me. Yeah.
this alert
Mhm.
at the time of acknowledgement, any comments we are saving or not?
Yeah, that is a very good feedback. So right now we are not saving any comments, but yes, that point is noted. We can have some comments added at the
Okay.
time of acknowledgement.
And one more question, Ms. Suppose I have 3 rooms, room 1, room 2, room 3.
Mhm.
So I am going to install 3 different type of sensor in 3 different rooms.
Mhm.
Now, how to link the sensor and that room or zone?
Okay, good question. So what I do is when I am uploading the sensors, okay, what I am doing is I am selecting the location. So suppose I am selecting Kolkata. I am selecting any of the clusters or room, whatever you call it,
Yeah,
cluster
okay,
one,
okay.
cluster two. You select one of the instruments, any instrument that is there in the cluster,
Hmm.
and after that you select whatever sensor template, whatever is the sensor type, and you upload it. So this is how you can easily link it. Right? So, so on the dashboard part, say you can like, if you want to increase the length of a chart, you can do it.
Okay.
If you want to like, you don't need one chart, you can just remove it from here. You can rearrange the chart from here. Whatever you use is highly flexible. That is, dashboard is highly flexible.
Means in this dashboard is showing that sensor and that room 1 and
Yeah,
zone.
AlertWorks AW3000 has been integrated.
Hmm.
So, like this is the default AlertWorks AD3000. So, we have this gateway installed in our own Michael's home. So we have the battery temperature and pool temperature over here. So submit. So this is the temperature graph. Here is the different charts that is present over there. So additionally, what you can do is you can have the alert settings over here. There is a max value and the type of the alert, the major, minor, critical,
Okay.
and you can also optionally select control devices, the devices which you can control based on the type of alerts that have been generated from here. Also, you have the escalation settings. So, like if an alert has been generated and nobody is responding for a certain period of time, then there will be like uh, escalation. So, for a 5 minute delay, so there will be escalation, and so if you have raised the alarm and nobody has responded, so you can have the escalation. So, if there is a 5 minute delay, this the persons with the role escalation one will get the message, and if there is a 15-minute delay, the role persons with the role escalation 2 will get email, and say so forth. We support 3 level of escalations as of now. So any questions so far?
Samush, do you have any question? No.
Okay. Then
Okay.
so that is it then. Thank you.
Thank you.